And in September, we're going to be in Edmonton, Alberta, in Canada, and we'd love to see you there.
Absolutely. Tiny House Prepper.
Live simple, live free.
Hey everybody, I'm Bill.
And I'm Elizabeth with Tiny House Prepper.
Next month, like Elizabeth said, we're going to Edmonton.
Yes.
Yep.
Very excited.
Yep. Now, we would love to see you there, but just so you don't misunderstand, this is not a meetup that we are doing, okay?
Yeah, I mean, we're not organizing a meet and greet. Yeah.
This is a Thrive Life convention, and the first session is open to the public, and we will be there. And then after the session, there's like a meet and greet where you can meet everybody, you can meet us, and there's going to be a lot of great things happening there. They're going to be introducing new products.
Yeah, yeah.
And I'm excited about it. Elizabeth and I know what they are.
Yeah.
But we're not allowed to say anything until the convention. So if you'd like to see the new products, taste them, you can meet the executives of the company. There's going to be a lot of great entertainment.
Oh, yeah. I've got to tell you, hands down, if you just want to come, like for that first night, where everybody, it's open to the whole public, it will be good entertainment. There's hands down, no doubt about that.
Yep, absolutely.
They are so amazing.
So the Thrive Convention is actually September 20th and 21st. The free session is on Friday evening, the 20th. It starts at 7 p.m. The session is probably 7 to 9 or 9:30, something like that, and then it goes into the open mingle time. There'll be food there. We can mingle with us, and with, you can shake the president's hand if you want. Now the convention goes for 2 days, but the first session is open to anyone. You don't have to be a consultant, and it's free. So if you'd like to meet us, if you live anywhere in the Central Canada area, if you'd like to meet us, if you'd like to find out more about Thrive Life, if you'd like to experience the new products that they have, we would love to meet you there.
So this will be in Edmonton, in Alberta,
Yep.
in Canada. And so where is it at?
It is at the Delta by Marriott Edmond South Conference Center. I don't know where that is, but if you'd like to come, we can get you directions or an address.
Yeah.
Yep.
But at least you can look that up if you wanted to.
So
Alrighty.
September 20th, we'd love to meet you. Even if you're not interested in Thrive, if you want to just meet us.
And just see some fun entertainment.
Right, right.
Without a doubt.
So now it is free, but they do want an RSVP so that they can know how many people are going to be there. So if you think you're interested in coming, if you'd like to get more details, please email me and I'll give you all the details. And my email address is down below as well.
Alrighty. Yep.
So, okay, great things happening with Thrive, the conference at the end of September in Edmonton.
It's going to be fun to go to Alberta. I've never been there before.
Right, yeah.
So, all right.
Okay, thanks everybody for watching.
Yep. Live simple.
Live free.
Love you guys.
Be blessed.